Hello my beautiful people. Hi, how are you? Today I have a letter. Why do I keep saying letter? It's getting annoying. I know. I feel you. Bear with me, okay? Today I have a first impressions slash review on the newest. I don't know how new this is anymore because I just got it, so it's new to me, okay? So today I'm going to do a first impressions on the L'Oreal True Match Nude Serum Tinted Foundation. Wait a minute, because I have all the info right here. So this is the first tinted serum with 1% hyaluronic acid. I am excited for that. So if you guys want to see how this sits on my skin, if it works with my skin, I have pretty much dry skin, but now because it's more like summer time almost, my skin gets a little bit more normal, I would say. Like, it's not as dry, but I still have dry under eyes, and I do have fine lines and wrinkles, discoloration, a little bit of redness. So if you guys want to see how this looks on this bare skin, you see right here, then keep on watching. But first, subscribe, hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time. And my cat has a little gift for you. She brought you this bear. I don't even know what's this. It has catnip inside and she loves it. Catch. She's not a dog, but she acts like a dog. Anyway, let's jump into the video. Alrighty, so as you can see, my skin is shiny, like extremely shiny. That's because I did use the ordinary peeling solution. I forgot the name. The peeling solution, then I applied my cream, and that's basically what I have on my skin. But I have this how is this called? I don't know, but I'm going to wipe a little bit my skin because I feel like it's way too shiny, and I don't know how this will act on top of this. For my primer, I'm going to use the Good Molecules one. This is my Ride or Die. I have like a little bit left. I don't know if you can see that, but this is the good stuff right here. So I got the shade 3-4 Light Medium. I think this is a little bit too dark for my skin tone at the moment because I'm pretty pale. I didn't tan or anything. This is my winter skin, okay? So I hope it will match me. If not, I'm going to have to apply this on my neck as well. I'm going to apply my serum, and then my primer, and then I'm going to tell you guys what this serum foundation claims to do. Okay, let's see what this Hyaluronic Tinted Serum claims to do. So it says, Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, the first tinted serum with 1% hyaluronic acid. Instantly, skin looks brighter, even feels hydrated. Hyaluronic acid gives skin a hydrated feel, smooths over time. Luminous mineral pigments brighten complexion. So the shades range is not amazing. It has only 14 shades. Like, what's that? The 1% hyaluronic, blah blah blah, mineral pigments provide lightweight. Okay, so now this is not medium coverage. The luminous mineral pigments provide lightweight coverage for a brightened complexion. The shades are a little bit awkward, okay? Like, what's this? 3-4 light medium. Like, anyway, so I don't know if this is warm tone. Let me see on their website. Okay, light medium, 3-4. It doesn't says the undertone, so I'm assuming this is a natural or neutral undertone. Anyway, let's just apply this on my face because I have stuff to do. Okay, and I'm pretty sure you just want to see this in action. So it comes with a little pump, exactly like a hyaluronic serum would come. So this is how it looks. Yeah, I think this is a little bit too deep for my skin tone right now. Wow, it feels exactly like a serum. Yeah, it definitely smells like, I don't know, alcohol. Let me see ingredients. Wow, this is so tiny, I can't. Ingredients. The first ingredient in this product is hyaluronic acid. Okay? No, I'm sorry. The first ingredient is water, aqua, and then is water. Like aqua and water isn't the same thing. Yeah, the second ingredient is alcohol, dimeticone alcohol denant. So yeah, it has alcohol. It kind of smells like alcohol, which I'm not happy about that. It definitely smells like alcohol. Alcohol. I don't know how much I'm going to need. I'm just going to go for it, okay? By the way, I'm going to use my trusty sponge, makeup sponge. This is the Real Techniques one. I just cleaned this one. It smells so good. I don't like a brush. If you like a brush, then use a brush. You do you, boo. I really hope this will work for me. So obviously the foundation will soak the most of it, but I'm here for it. I mean, the shade is not that bad. Oh my goodness, you guys see that? Like, I'm not crazy. Let me just bring you closer and closer so you can see better. I only did like a drop. This is insane. Like, it did covered my, you guys see my dark spots, like from the sun, my sun spots, whatever they are called. Like, they are picking through because your girl is now wearing SPF. I know I should, but I hate it. I just bought a new one that doesn't burn my eyes. Anyway, this is another story. But it did covered my, like, pretty much. You can still see it a little bit right here, but I love it. Pretty much there's like 2 drops. Then I'm going to spread it around with my finger, okay, and then blend it with my sponge. Yeah, I feel the alcohol, like my eye kind of burns a little bit, you know. Yeah, I can totally feel the alcohol. You see my eye, like, it's acting. We don't like alcohol in skincare or makeup. Yeah, you guys, this coverage is like impressive right now. And oh my goodness, I can't believe this looks insanely good. I feel like I don't like the dropper. Like, it's a little bit messy around the edge of the bottle. Like, I have a lot of, you know what I mean? Like, you see, that's pretty messy. This foundation looks flawless, and I haven't even finished my entire face. The finish is flawless. So I'm going to try to build it a little bit. I don't like the dropper. No, it's not for me, because it's getting super messy. Oh my goodness, my eyes. Yeah, it definitely burns because it's from the alcohol. Okay, you see my eyes are getting watery. It's from the alcohol. I can smell it. I don't like that. I don't like that. If you are sensitive to alcohol, like my eyes are getting sensitive. You guys see that? They are getting watery. So if you are sensitive to alcohol, please keep that in mind if you want to purchase this foundation. I feel like the finish is glowy, radiant, but with a dry feeling. I mean, it doesn't feel drying on my skin or tight or whatsoever. It feels like nothing. But when I touch my skin, it feels like I just applied a serum on my face. I'm going to zoom you in even closer. I do like this. I do like this. It's insane. I like it. It definitely did settle into my fine lines right here. but nothing crazy. I mean, I just applied this. We will see at the end of the day how this goes or how this looks. You guys see that? Like right here, it did settle into my lines. Also, I'm seeing my smile lines peeking through already, but other than that, skin looks so good. Like, wow. Even on my nose, it looks good. You guys see that? So I'm going to go with a little bit of concealer. Yeah, you can totally see that. It does gathers if you have fine lines, smile lines, wrinkles. So keep that in mind as well. But you can totally set this foundation if you want to. I do love the finish. Like, this has a glowy, radiant finish, and I'm living for that. So let's just blend this. This looks beautiful. Concealer blends very nice. It looks good. Like, it looks very good actually. You guys see my smile lines? I do need to set that with powder as well, and also my forehead right here. Next, I'm going to smooth out my wrinkles, my creases, and I'm going to set them with some powder. Currently is late as per usual when I'm doing these first impressions. I cannot, for the love of God, film in the morning. I can't. I'm not a morning person. So yeah, currently is 3:36. 3:36. I'm going with powder. First, let me just smooth. It's not really allowing me to smooth the lines. Like, you guys see that? It's not working. So yeah, if you have creases, smile lines, it's best to set them like right after you applied your foundation. Okay, because now it's not working. I'm going to still, like, it's not lifting my foundation, which is nice. I love that. But it's not allowing me to smooth out the creases and go with powder. I'm going to go with powder. Anyway, it doesn't look that good. Yeah, that definitely doesn't work. So make sure you smooth out your creases. My face looks glowy, but it feels dry. I mean, when I touch my face, it feels dry. Again, it doesn't feel like drying or tight on my skin, this foundation. Oh my goodness, I feel like I make no sense, but I hope you guys know what I'm trying to say here. So yeah, I'm going to wear this makeup the entire day. I'm planning to film 2 more videos, but let's see how that goes. I'm going to finish doing my makeup and probably do a checking at the end of the day. So see you guys a little bit later. I hope I don't have any dirt under there. See you. I'm so tired. I am so tired. But the makeup looks good, okay? Still, like, it looks perfect actually. I do have some fallout from my mascara. No big deal. But I am so impressed. This looks so beautiful. I'm going to zoom you in closer. But apparently right now is 9 p.m. Okay? So it's been like more than 5 hours. 6 hours. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe how good this looks. Like, my fine lines didn't got increased, like didn't got worse from the last time you saw them. I had the wig on. Please ignore the stuff I have in my hair. Also, my forehead looks good still. Like, my wrinkles got a little bit more enhanced, just a tiny little bit more, even though I did set them with powder. But I feel like my smile lines look the same as they looked 5 hours ago. You know what I mean? I like this foundation, and as I said, it doesn't feel like foundation on my skin. This covered what it needed to be covered, okay? I still see my dark spots peeking through, but they're not as visible. Like this evened out my skin tone, and it looks so beautiful. It feels so beautiful. I don't want to say this again, but I love it. I know I haven't had this on for a long time, but 5 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours. Yeah, I think 5 hours is enough so you know if this works for you or not. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one.